But after that is a whole uniform stushy. You go like it new. Me won't even tear up that to make kite tail. Cut I can't cut me too. Penny. Can't buy Muto shoes.
You are born like say anybody select your head boy.
And the principal say you're not ready scared come to school.
Where you scared there, boy?
Me not leave my transport. Principal never tell you not to bring stolen goods into the class.
What stolen goods, but you know why I talk about stolen goods? No, when you leave the race up and down wrong for the neighbor, but walk the race here. Hey! It's not teeth with teeth it bout. It's my uncle sent it for my birthday from America. Phoebe Small. This Phoebe Small present.
My love, if you don't see nobody else, you can't misfeed it. I rock teeth now, cause you take me around with you. Hey. It's who then? New students?
No, sir, them too old.
But not even if them all they can still come here. That is an all-age school. Hey, I can treat all-age.
Don't start. All age don't mean people of all age can come here. Fool.
What it mean?
All age mean how we have kids.
See me Thomas here into my head. I'm a Betty and Fernie that got me.
Yo!
I'm a bicycle spokes them who was saving up to make a soul form. Wait there. Wanna see him?
It's not me, thief. We don't
tonight is the phrase of foreman fight. A stadium.
And it's which air?
Oh, you could have forgot that. Hey, this is the air we graduate.
And we is the class of 73.
Class of 73. Oh yeah, that's me. The class of 73. Them don't seem off the cream off the ground. The class of 73. How are you looking at?
And you what left back?
The class of 73. Oh yeah, that's we. We don't know all the alphabets.
From A straight up to C.
We never take exam yet.
But the teacher give up about me.
The class of 73. Oh yeah, that's we. The class of 73. Them say all we hate so tough and we chances still. The class of 73.
Them set out life back up and the future dim.
Class of 73. Oh yeah, that's we. The reputation spread so far. The reputation spread so wide.
Cause the last form teacher, she tried to commit suicide.
The class of 73. Oh yeah, that's me. The class of 73. Them don't skim off the cream off the crop. The class of 73. How are you looking at?
And you what left back?
The class of 73. Oh yeah, that's me. The class of 73. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's me. Hey, read them. Yeah.
No! Can we finish not the register? Start us and descend!
Yes,
Start us and descend!
Hey, how wrong with this idiot?
Make you boom him.
Yes.
Wait! There's some inside that smells so moldy. No man, feel no armpit one quarantine. And how in there so dark? I'm not the principal. I don't think I was job shot. Policeman.
And I'm nobody.
What?
Hey! Boom one!
My father said, the teacher that someone to let me at school.
Parents what?
Tell your homely papa, say me lick you. And if you don't like it, then you can do it next best.
It's who you is, sir.
I am BB Gringo, a new form teacher. Good morning, sir.
I wonder what could be so good about the man when they first thing me a face out or no. And to think how much time at school me turn out just to come teach down here, sir. With me Michael surfing ticket.
Sir, me is the head boy, sir. Me already marked the register. Everybody are present.
What a pity.
Sir, Mutu
My name is Matumba and Deg and Deggedy.
Your Tumba Wara. And now where's your shoes, master?
Sir, me no wear them, sir. My father said we're originally from Africa.
So when you no going back? Sir, me is the head boy, sir, because me is the most manageable. And the most polite just into the class. And the most brightest.
And the most teeth in it. Son, me left me thermos into me decks and teeth in Milo. Drink out me porridge. No.
Seems to me Milo was doing you a favor. Sit down. I may then call you Milo Massa. Sir, that are my real name, sir. Milo Flowers. That are your real name. Tell me something. Your mama and papa did hungry when they near you. Milo and Flower. Milo is an Italian name. Really now? So you is Italian?
No.
No, sir. You can speak Italian?
No.
Yes! Una, dos, tres, cuatro. Idiot! Me never say French. Italian name. Tell me something. You ever been to Italy yet? No, sir. You can spell Italy. H. Teacher's salary can't support my lifestyle, so me know little sideways hustling. When you can get something stick the other around, and when you can get all these nice in I will stop. Leave me sit down here. Wait, no me dear, give me this. This happy woman something. When you can get wisdom toothbrush, Colgate toothpaste, textbook, 4-cent exercise. Sir, we don't have no money to buy anything, sir.
Most days, all my lunch money can buy is 2 pack of Asham.
Or a stinking toe.
Or a frowsy finger. Take the raw fingers out, you must have find your seat.
And plus, we already have Colgate at home.
Me not so sure. Because the amount of rotten teeth in your mouth is a miracle in a pies here.
And son, we have all the books them that we need.
But you know should, because you said this is the second and third year in this same class. Sir, the principal will not allow us to sit common entrance last year, sir.
Yeah. He says we wasn't ready.
But we have to take it this year, for we will overage next year.
Yes, sir!
So this year is over.
Oh, no, last year! The principal said, come hell or high water, when I leave in school this year. Because all you know I do I take up space. Who is Raquel? Raquel Simmons.
Raquel Smith, sir. Raquel. My mother named me off to the film star. Raquel Welch. Cause she said we have a lot in common.
The only thing the two of you have in common is that you don't come from the same planet. You have to favor boldness. Space.
They are not supposed to speak to me like that. No, so they never walk in the headquarters of the North.
Sir!
Bunkers of business partners.
Sir, that remark are unfair, sir. Sir, drop shot his bozo.
Reverend Roper.
Reverend Roper. The principal, sir, he is posing to movitate we. Well, the principal, sir, on his hand movitate. The dregs of the school, the leftovers, just like the scraps is meat with me, my meat chop with me. That some people buy when them can't afford the 70 cent a pound oxtail. Imagine 70 cent a pound for oxtail. That's no wickedness. Sir, we are come to school like everybody else to develop our brains up, sir. Can anybody tell me what the Z in 6Z stand for? Raquel.
Yes, sir! He is the brightest one.
Milo, what does Z in 6Z stand for? Zero. Zilch. Nothing. Nada. Apparently, you can't develop your brains up because you don't got no brains. Sir, we believe that 6Z are not gave a fair chance, sir. You keep saying we, but do you want me to say that? No, sir, I speak on behalf of all of we. I have the full support of the whole entire... No, sit down, Italian! Me is the last hope with my reputation, track record, and my Kosurfi ticket. If me can't save on is beyond the salvation.
Sir, you can make the pass common entrance and go big school?
Yes.
Well, from what the principal tell me,
the most uno into this class can hope to pass is worm.
We don't pass worm yet.
Drop shot, don't know about my secret weapon.
Secret weapon?
Yes, one that gives hope to even the hopeless, like uno. I call it private lesson.
Sir, we is willing to do whatsoever extra it takes for us to sit the common entrance.
You
You know why I sit common entrance? Put up on. Me, sir. Put up on now. Me, sir.
Okay, I will write down the names of those who are interested to take private lesson for the small fee of 20 cents a lesson during the week and 25 on Saturday.
20 cents on you!
Me never give them to advertise. This is just between me and Uno.
20 cents a day times 5 days. That's $1.50 plus 25 cents for Saturday.
Hello.
That's $2.35 a week times 4. That's $15 for the month.
Coating. That is $5.
Sir, but that is more than lunch money we get for your term, sir.
Sir, it don't really matter because me have an auntie that live into New York and she always send money through JN money transfer for me and my mother when we are in need. And it's always come quick.
My parents cannot afford the private lessons, sir.
Well, apparently Drop Shot was right. Uno better get used to the idea of spending the rest of our life selling star, snow cone, and pants length. That are those who avoid prison. As you all know, the rest of the school already do their morning devotion in the auditorium. The principal is trying to ensure that contaminations like Uno do not infect the rest of the decent school population. So he keep Uno separate.
Sir?
You have a question, Selassie?
Sir, what is contamination, sir?
It is standing right behind you.
Contamination!
It is now time for your private devotion. Not that you could not pay attention to all I do. All stand.
Nina.
I saw the master. Stand up, look. Get up, Miss Emma, and take it out to me what your mouth. You, the heavy one, lead us in prayer.
Class, uno unclose, uno eye. God is good. God is great.
Hello. That's the only prayer you know. Something. You ever pray for anything else in life besides food?
No, sir.
Well, at least you're honest. Why you no bother waste teacher time and government milk powder about to come to school? What education you need for pickpocket?
Sir! Just because we can't afford private lesson don't mean that we will be pop pickets.
is going to be Bruce Lee, sir. You going to turn go-go like your mother?
Your mother go-go?
Yes, sir. They call her Hurricane Hattie.
Hurricane Hattie? Drop by Rancho Paredes Road. Mr. Jamaican.
Sir, me is going to be a politician, sir.
And you're so loyalty. Well, I suppose that's the qualification. Just name out the profit. You don't name out the entire stock. Probably name down to the very building like chichi.
Oh, I am going to be a nursery. Take care of old people.
You would make a fine nursery. All you need now is the roof.
I'm going to be a
Rasta?
No, sir,
A rabbit.
Dance back. How he to turn rabbit when he grow big?
Sir,
Wait. Sit down.
Radio announcer, sir.
A radio announcer.
Him deserve it.
Catch it, please. It's my time. See, wait. me could afford private lessons, me couldn't stay back feet because me have to go my 4 o'clock at evening time when television sign on. We watch Sesame Street and Romper Room next door.
Color TV?
Cheese whiz.
Yeah. But it only have 2 colors, black and white. Them black and white.
Black is not a color. Black is not a color.
Raquel, I suppose I should eat for lunch today again. They want a piece of rock cake.
Buzzer! Take it here, don't take it here. I'm not sweating me up with your sweaty self.
The ones Tushy feisty, come out of me next.
Me feisty with me own pace.
Ultimate slingshot. I'm a gig out of my desk.
And me, thank God, and me.
Kiss the cross.
And me. But me not kiss no cross, make God sing me. Hey, you miss a photo. You should make that catch me here.
Principal knows me this a come at school.
Good Hey, you Mr. Mutu, you lucky say sir save you here.
There you boy.
Sir, my name is Slingshot. I'm a gig out of my desk.
Young as you is, a cat spread up away by you inside a prison.
It's light.
Now, this is a very important date. Only no figure it.
Sir, I cannot see the board because Rock and Afro too big and it smells bad.
My shampoo name G. Your hair smells terrific.
Well, this morning you take up the wrong bottle. My G, my hair smell frozen.
I become a good beat you better go and so your teeth flat. Sir, that is an important date into Jamaica history.
Yes, me birthday. Honor parents must can show them appreciation for my hard work and sacrifice. What is it?
Sir, what is appreciation, sir?
Oh, thing. Can anybody tell me the name of the book you're looking to find the meaning of strange words? Raquel.
Milo can tell us.
No, Raquel, you tell me. What the book name you're looking to find the meaning of words? Clean up.
A Spanish book, sir.
Whole thing. A dictionary.
Jesus, me didn't know say a directory.
It so happens that I have a few used copy of a very special edition of Oxford Primary Dictionary. What is it?
Can we trust them?
You think a Chinese shop me alone? Your mama just where she said. common entrance. The form challenge quiz is coming up.
Hey, the ESF, we are play again 6th year.
The right in 6th grade in the entire whole of school.
I should have withdrawn. That's what I should have withdrawn. Because all he is going to do is make a fool of himself and embarrass me.
No, sir!
What on need is private lesson. Private lesson are blessings for kids that are slow. Take it from me, believe me, I know.
Private lessons are blessings.
The picnics like unos, or you will grow up to be adult konomonos. Pay close attention, listen when we talk. Without private lessons, uno path very dark.
We parts very dark.
Path very dark.
My mother said you cannot fool she. For TV, don't tell her money pay me school fee.
Yeah, give your naughty head mama this advice from me. Always be suspicious of anything free.
Mom and dad say them don't know the score. Private lesson don't teach a blessed thing more.
Not a blessed thing more. Is that kind of thinking make them future secure? Him a sweep street and she a scrub dirty floor.
My mother say private lesson is a trick.
True.
With just one aim to make teacher rich.
I really wish that was true. Oh Lord, how I wish your mama really said that. That dry head.
Sir, come on.
Private lesson, a blessing for kids that are slow.
Slow.
Take it from me, believe me, I know.
Private lessons are blessings.
But picnics like unos, or you will grow up to be adult konomonos.
Sir.
Private lesson.
Sir, me, sir! Me, sir!
Hi, Lefty. You never done right.
Sir, you don't really teach me nothing since you come here. You come here near to lunchtime every day.
So, don't expect. I coming all the way from Edgewater. At $120 a month, me up here for the little driveway that's all cover. At one deggy road leading to Kingston. That could have never happened in the first world. If we was in the first world, government would have been a fabulous multi-lane highway.
With toll booth to make motorists repay back for it.
Of course. Nothing wrong with that. Government think people would have a problem with that. Well, then think with that. Take them to court.
Sir, is you going to collect the homework, sir?
Homework? Me didn't go to homework.
Yes, sir!
All I did say was
Poetry, sir!
me didn't know why me about to waste all my time, but me a teach you like sound of poetry. Because me sure the next Miss Lou won't be coming from 6th grade.
Sir, who is Miss Lou, sir?
Miss Lou, the lady we always make people laugh at her.
Sir, I would like to say my poem.
Men's is the best one. The days of the weeks are Monday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Saturday, Tuesday. You said Tuesday.
Leave her now.
She
days of the week?
Because she are not taking private lessons.
More louder.
Because she are not taking private lessons.
Oh, excellent.
Sir, I am ready to say my vote. That's fine.
Here's my poem, sir.
Okay.
Old King Saul was a merry old fowler.
Really now. Him was a merry old fowl.
Yes, sir. And a merry old fowler was he. Sucking his tongue. And he and he and he pluck out a plum and yes, have it right here, sir. Yes, don't spat, but spurn the rhyme with plum.
And to think I could be in England teaching white children. How will you make up the poem of a master? Are your mother? Has she had the merry old fowl? Go and go sit down. I said, go and sit down.
Sir, me have a bad poem, sir. My mother say it's the bestest poem she ever heard.
Go sit down, Harlix.
Sir, my name is
I said, go sit down. Did I make you so quiet, missus? Did you compose a poem for class today? Really now? Come here to me. I said, come here to me.
Spanish town, served by Peter with the noodle stick.
I won't make up one. Me just remember, sir.
Good. Let's hear it.
she already.
Yeah, do that.
I wait for the year. shame. But you just listen to me. You cannot afford to disgrace me in front of the entire school and the principal.
No, sir.
So what me is going to do when me ask all the question, I say, me going to make the answer very obvious that as me open my mouth, so you know the question.
Yeah.
Raquel, please to collect all exercise book and put them on the table. I don't want no cheating.
Sir, but it's me usually.
Sit down.
Yes,
Now, I would like 4 volunteers from 6A. Remember now, each member of the winning team will get a very nice cap donated by JN Money Transfer. Okay? 1, 2. Come, you come through. Okay. Yes, ma'am. We know the freeness to the envy. Now, all stand. Now, in this section, you have 1 minute to answer as many questions as possible. If you don't know the answer, say pass.
We are going to say pass.
Now 6A, it is your first minute. CO2 is the chemical formula for what gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. A young cow is called a
Cow.
Correct. If A equals 2 and B equals 4, what is A plus B?
6.
Correct. End of your first minute, 6A. Now 6A.
Present, sir.
Oh, no, notice them bright.
We brighter than them.
Good. Now 6A, give a 3-letter word for the organ you use to see.
Sir, man, don't you quote your eye. No, the long stop. The long stop, sir. Spectre.
Sir, pass. You don't take too long.
Aye, the answer is your eye. Now 6A, name the capital of Jamaica. Allah will live there.
Ghetto.
Sir, pass.
Kingston. The answer is Jamaica. Kingston is the answer. Now 6A, a triangle has how many sides?
Sir, pass.
Why you not stop say pass? And give me a chance to answer the questions.
I think that make no difference.
A triangle has 3 sides.
And that me they work out, you know?
Now, if A equals 4 and B equals 5, what is B minus A? I want 1 answer. D.
No, Milo. You have to work it out first.
Yes, Marlon. Work it out.
So why you not work it out?
Me page finish.
Tell him.
87.
One. The answer is 1. Now, H2O is the chemical formula for what liquid? We drink it every day.
Porridge.
Me don't like
called a
rabbi.
That's not. That is the plural.
You are both incorrect. A young rabbit is called a rack. A rack. Now, 6 on what continent would you find a chili?
England. I hear over there is very chilly.
That is so very wrong. The answer is South America. End of your first minute, 6A. Now, 6A, what is the square root of 4? 2. Correct. Who is the Prime Minister of Jamaica? You listen to me. Now in 1973. Should have been Michael Manley. Now, that's the end of your second minute. Now, 6Z.
Present, sir.
Name the 1972 festival song and the singer.
Oh, Peter Tosh. No, Stevie Wonder, the deaf one.
Sir.
No, that's a pass. Me know that.
All right, say the answer then.
Song name.
Hurry up now. You know if you're wasting a minute.
Make here, sir. Me a go pass.
You're gonna make the minute done.
Me a go pass.
Time off. The song is Come Down Off Your Pumps and Pride by Toots and the Maytals.
That next choice, Toots.
When you take too And now for the buzzer section. In this section, you lose 1 point for every wrong answer. Now, to operate the buzzer, all you need to do when you know the answer is to touch this gadget like so. The light will come on, I'll recognize you, and then you may answer.
I feel me a go press it.
Now, let's go. What does the acronym USA stand for? 6A?
United States of America.
Correct.
Why you hold up your answer high?
In what month do Jamaicans celebrate Christmas? 6A.
December.
Correct. Name the 4th day of the week. Yes! Name Jamaica's only national heroine. What is the... me reach in the question. Now, what is?
Courage.
Wrong. That's very wrong. Okay. The question was, what is the tangent of 45 degrees? And the answer is 1.
I mean, ignore the one there.
Now, in what month do Americans celebrate the 4th of July? Go ahead, 6 then.
Milo, after we don't live into America.
Don't spot, but the one that easy. Sir, they celebrate it in February.
Idiot! A July. Now, a young cat is called. Go ahead, 6 then. That's it! Quiz done! The total score is 6A25 and 6Z minus 30. Hello! A 6A winner.
Then 30 no more than 25.
Me never said 30. Me said minus 30. I'm gonna lose 1 point for every wrong answer. I'm gonna never get 1 right. Now let's give the geniuses of 6A a very big round of applause. Congratulations, 6A. Congrats. You've been very, very well. Your teachers all to the crowd. Clap them. I said clap them. As to Hono 6 said, after that dismal performance, I don't think I can recommend you to the principal visit. No common entrance.
Because you have the parents, the craving lad.
Yes! Let's time! Great!
Me have to find a way to reach England. Then I want to sit down there and look up in my morning, so I want to hear the bell at recess. And hello, please do not go outside, go run up and down and come back in and smelling moldy and sweaty, and look like dirty boss. I don't remember now my birthday coming up. And me take cash. And I know a whole lot of having no friends and family are foreign. Please to tell them to put some money in the JN money transfer and me will use my swipe card and swipe it out. And hello, I am begging you, please do not go out a gate and buy nothing from Sofoot Audrey because she's not hygienious. And I, who do not have a drop shot here. But you see the little saltfish and breadfruit and the biscuit and soda selling and go on outside there? I mean, control. Stop, one of the patronize me here. But remember now, me no trust.
Hey, leave me some now. Move on, work, move.
Come play Dandy Shandy. When me done eat me chingo. No.
remember that today is Sir's birthday and we're keeping up with class party. So I hope all of you bringing up present. Hey, you see, after our performance into the quiz, it's Uncle Bribe. We're going to make Sir make we sit common entrance. Hey. When Sir come, make all of we sing happy birthday. Yes. Or if we sing yet? Yes. You hear? Yes. Hello. We have to butter him up.
If we want take the test, if we want be we best, like fresh baked bread, make we butter him up. If we want to take the test, we butter him up. If we want to be we best, so we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. Make we butter him up, like fresh baked bread. We butter him up, make we swell up him head. So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. We future depend on common entrance. We can't afford to miss we last chance. I juice glass some Woolworth because we very much.
Are a nice little set of a soul comb and a brush.
A very cheap pair of terry cloth socks. A plastic mug
In a pretty little box.
we're choosing presents with no picky. But we know say we teacher just licky. So make we butter him up. If we want to take the test, we butter him up. If we want to be we best, so we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. I come again. Make we butter him up, like fresh baked bread. We butter him up, make we swell up him head. So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. So make we butter him up. If we want to take the test, we butter him up. If we want to be we best, so we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. I come again. Make we butter him up, like fresh baked bread. We butter him up, make we swell up him head. So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. Make we butter him up.
Hey. Remember, all of we going to sing happy birthday after 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sir.
You know something? I didn't remember a thing about it. It's how to remember.
Sir, it's right on the blackboard. You know what it Coca-Cola say?
Oh, very nice. This is so lovely. All these presents, they belongs to me.
Yes, sir.
And I told them not to distress an appearance into getting it. I just all these lovely things and get. Wait a minute. Them present ya one shot. Who never bring no present? They say, who never bring no present? Raquel?
When me ask me mother for money to buy a present, she said, she can't afford to mind no teacher.
Is that a fuck? May tell you not me, mama say me say. If she'd have stopped change her hair and her fingernail them every week, she'd have even buy a pick the teacher a decent present when his birthday come.
Yes, sir!
And me notice she never give me nothing for Mother's Day. Her blooming falls, she a favor seaweed.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh no, Raquel, you're not sorry yet. How in time come to me recommend who visit the common entrance. No, you're not sorry. You and your mama are blooming in back dry and cracky like the Arabian desert. All I get from someone is hard luck story. But I only want to God, you know. None of them no good on my Woolworth and time struggle by nothing can come give me. Because me no got nothing in my house and those cheap stores. I don't set foot in them the place because I oh my, what a lovely cup and sauce.
Sir, it's me bring that one, sir.
Me know you Kool-Aid.
Milo, sir.
Me say me know you bring that one your sugar and water. Because I didn't see it to your mama give me for Easter and Father's Day. Then I said a whole word. 16 at the set. A smart, your mama thinks she's smart. $1.25 she pay for the set. And then she give me them one. But tell your mama for me say, if she ever send one more salsa come in me, I'm going to take it to me in a flying salsa. And I'm going to seal it straight in your box for it. My cousin what teacher feeling. Oh no, what is it?
Sir, you want me to help you pack them up, sir?
But that's all you come to school for, though. My cousin what teacher feeling. Oh no, him get 50 him birthday.
No, sir.
Jewels race. Chains and watches and chaperitas and all them things there. The months me I have back out me to my body. Tough it, big them. I only want to get this and away the time. Cheap lemonade glass. Not even a little decoration for it.
Sir, is me bring that one with the decoration for the rapper, sir?
Your frozen head puppet say cheap glass can go in my expensive mahogany Brock front. With a lighting to it. One of the things that me can't turn on light for a cheap sin thing, yeah?
No, sir!
Sir, my father said it is the thoughts that count.
Well, tell your papa say me, say. Him fit Thought of something more expensive for same company. Oh, the amount of ganja we feel papa say. Him can do better. Oh. How do things say? Me no know say they don't have time store pan special.
Sir, if you do not shop there, how you know it's sell there, sir?
We're passive. And I see them in the showcase. Listen to me now. So cheap. I don't want no more cheap none. Because we deserve better than now. I hope bring them fluxy man where you coming. But to show me a chat to the bad man. And that's one of them and pay me dog mine. Me say, who bring that dozen hairy man where you come give me? Oh, no, can't tell you. One tribe for Hebe. This might sound impossible for you to believe, but there are people in this life who think of other things besides food. I are spoken. And for your information, me no am hairy mango. Feet go hitch up in my dentures. I mean in my teeth. I look good and happy and full of words.
Sir, since you do not want them, I will distribute them all.
Let them dirty water. Let them. I am going to take them home and give to the neighbor to feed our dog.
Sir, the dog eats mango, sir.
Mandela, will you please to take out the reading book and read chapter 20?
Sir, it's only 12 chapters.
Well, read chapter 10 2 times. And check them out. How where the hell this?
Sir, that are a candle holder, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it lovely?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it one on a nice student bring this lovely candle holder for me?
Sir, is that girl right there, sir, in the strap blouse? She's shy, sir. She's shy, is she, sir?
Is common entrance, this have a make up, you will be on top. Come, make everybody see you. Come.
Come, sir,
Let them see the nice student. What will this lovely candle holder for me? Very nice. That's so very nice. Stand up right here, sir. Eh?
She's pretty, sir.
Yes, a very pretty student. I never seen her before.
Yes, sir. She always come Thursday class, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me something. You didn't tell your mama say me can't pay me like this? Eh? You didn't tell her say JPS slack off me like? No. What the God in truth is only liberty now?
Yes, sir.
They come here and beg you say the camel and carry up your mama and tell her me say that's no, she hold her hand. Before the big mama, put on one and get one of them nice electric standing lamp. She'll come in the camel holder. Your mama, you say me I walk over there?
Yes, sir.
Ray, well?
You going to give it back to her?
Oh no, Ray. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go keep it. And I'm going to go to St. Thomas. And I'm going to go get 2 red candles put in it. And I bet you next year your mama give me jewel straight. Your mama blooming teeth, then favor somebody in a tri-cane road there. Find a seat. From 6Z is going to sit the common entrance. Not one. Uno can take that, put it in on a lemonade glass, and drink it. Sir!
We're going to protest. You think sir really serious this morning when he say him not going to make me sit the common entrance?
Of course. You know, she said he not come back at class.
Eh?
No common entrance we can't take. No common entrance. Lord, you feel we shame. You alone know we pain. No common entrance we can't take. No common entrance. Lord, you feel we shame. You alone know we pain.
No common entrance we can't take. No common entrance.
Lord, you feel we shame. You alone know we pain.
12 years down the drain. We can't take common entrance. Sir said, no common entrance. Lord, 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 yeah.
How that for fair? Look at us here. Anywhere you go,
Search.
high or low. We guarantee you never see.
No picnic more common than we. Still we can't take. No common entrance we can't take. No common entrance. Lord, you feel we shame. You alone know we pay. 12 years down the drain. We can't take common entrance.
say we can do with a piece of string there.
What, sir?
Hang yourself. Weird. Oh, no, still there? Oh, no, no, man, look where?
Sir, we's just 12.
Well, they soon understand and not trade it better. Because the competition stiff out there.
Me, not trade. Me, have a turn a river.
Yes, Mr. Radio Announcer. But I don't think there is one person in Jamaica we're going to find enough time to listen to your program.
Or a DJ.
Hey, sir! Hey, sir, Mutu is a bad DJ, sir. A 2 years, sir. Hey, Mutu, do you rifle, sir?
Which one, my love?
Anyone?
It don't really matter, Mutu, anyone. Hey, Mutu!
Yeah?
We are set you up, yeah?
Yeah!
Milo?
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, I not thief you thief the boombox there. My granny is a man.
No, sir. It is my auntie. Send it for my Christmas from England.
Auntie, England, Christmas.
Oh, look where? Hey, Mutu, you ready?
Yeah!
Make sure you're ready, you know, Mutu. Because last time you say you're ready, you're never ready.
Mr. Ready spar. Just run the rhythm.
We are taking from the intro here.
Yeah!
Sounds cold, bear you to the bone tonight. Chickabow, 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 wow, wow. I'm gonna let you on tonight. Watch out!
Start the man. I'm gonna stop it. But this week,
Mutu! That part they call land. You fool like where?
Master, you can't start for your own DJ style. You can call it the stutter style. Come down. Tell me what you want. He who laugh last, laugh best. Only thing we never hear no inside, you know. About how we have to put time up, and I sing about how me licky. About we want to come an entrance. And are you starting? And you are the ringleader. But you say about me, if you say don't feel the emphasis in the common entrance, you're going to turn in a 6 tell you burn.
Sir, I'm going to take them up, sir.
But that's all you come to school for. Clean up the garbage.
Sir, so what we going to know, sir?
Try prayers.
Shut your mouth!
You say you're blooming frack, so can't pay your life, say you're a scuba diver. Hello. Oh, no, listen to me. I'm going down to the staff room, you see, because I make a little order and I'm going to fill it and then come back up to it. But listen, I'm going to try. I'm going to do some work on the whole. On a study on a book pound of one because I now kill up myself over because I'm well on my way to England. You hear me? So on a study somewhere. You hear boy? You study your book. Study your book. Oh, how tired. Both on a one sit common entrance. On a dance like. Study your book. Study your book.
Why God make some of it dance and some of it right?
Me not done. He make all of it with the same brains.
Yeah, but you know, like when you buy something new and you get a little book into the box to tell you how to use it.
A manual.
Yeah. Well, God give everybody brains, but if we get to give someone with the manual. Me never get no manual.
Me they get two.
If me to get it, it lasts.
Sometimes it feels like we're alone against the world.
We need someone on our side.
Just to love us,
And praise us.
help us in the fight.
We need someone on our side.
We's only little boys.
And we's only little girls.
It's such a bumpy ride.
We need someone on our side. Sometimes we need a hand. Sometimes it's just a smile. Someone on our side. Someone on our side. To give a helping hand. Someone on our side. To help us in the fight. Someone on our side. To love us for who we are. To make it through this world, we need someone on our side.
Ooh, sometimes it feels like we can't make it through this world.
We need someone on our side.
To encourage,
Guide us,
teach us what is right.
We need someone on our side. Someone on our side. To give a helping hand. Someone on our side. To help us in the fight. Someone on our side. To love us for who we are. For to make it through this world, we need someone on our side. We need someone by our side.
You know, me is a teacher, and being a teacher, I'm not making a lot of money. So I try to be creative, and I decide so when I go and go sell a little dry goods in order to complete salary. And now right now sit down in front of me, you know what me money and you know what I'm paying. Eh? How do you say me if you go back and market if you don't pay me money? Kiss me neck. No, you're there. How do you say that man here? Imagine now, 6 months ago it come to me and beat the pressure. They say girlfriend birthday, but you know what? Why truck, no? Anybody want to give me by? Uncle one time she said she will. Nobody want to give me by. Oh no, darling. This is not your type. A scandal away. This is a scene. Nobody want to give me by. Oh, Reverend Drop Shot. Reverend Roper. Nice of you to drop me.
Very good.
Yes, Red?
I just want you to know, you see,
Yeah.
that I fully support your decision not to allow the children of 6th grade to sing the common entrance and carry out the school average.
What, Rev, you know?
No. Think about it. 27,000 children are going to sit the exam this year.
That's correct.
There's only space in high school for 4,000.
Yeah.
Now, what chance do these morons have? You know, when I look at these kids, I wish to myself that birth control were retroactive.
Oh, no, Rev. None of them so bad, man.
You see, when this was a private school,
Yeah.
I had nothing but the best uptown,
Yes.
middle class,
Aye.
brown-skinned children.
Okay.
I had a 100% success record. And you know why?
No.
Because those children had the right environment,
Okay.
married parents,
That's right.
the right genes. Now we talk about we are government aided, equal rights and equal opportunity. Manly and in blasted communist philosophy. All allowing Rasta people to come to school.
And in foot dirty.
Did you know that there is a go-go dancer whose daughter is coming to the school? Go-go dancer! You lie! Yes! But bring her! I know why these children can't learn. They cannot learn because they are too black. It's a scientific fact. Alright. We all know that dark surfaces attract heat, right? So, because them head so black, it attracts more of the sun's rays, and as a result, bake them brains. But remember, you are doing a fantastic job. So don't back down. We will not allow the children of 6th grade to sit the common entrance and carry down the school of it.
Hi, fellas.
Hurricane Hattie.
That's right.
Aye. No, call over here, make your principal know say you know me. Rev, please to meet Rachel Smith's mother.
Oh! We've met?
Say what?
Must be PTA.
Hello, Ratre.
What is it you want, lady?
Mama, pick if you take exam just like the others at 6th grader.
Well, it won't happen.
Why?
Because the children of 6th grade have no chance of passing.
And you decided from the 1st grade to weed them out and let all kind of underqualified teacher from them.
Try your brakes, try your brakes, not this year. I'm telling everyone like you don't know me. I am highly qualified.
Exactly.
Oh yes, very qualified. Tell him how much years you spend on a micro teacher's college, Bertram?
Then, don't everybody know says a 3-year course?
Me ask how much years you spend down there? Six years. 3 years in the first year and 2 in the second year. 6 years.
No, only see where they can get for your brain slammer. And that's a lie. That is a lie. Because me got my micro certificate.
Oh, hush, Peter! You think these bogus documents can fool anybody? And I want to let you into a little secret, you see? There's no K in certificate.
So why
You think I was going to hire some hotshot teacher who fancied his chances of getting his nincompoops in the common entrance? Huh? No way!
In other words, the only reason Bertram
Me say don't call me Bertram.
the only reason him get the job is because you believe him not no use, right?
Exactly!
Say what?
No! Bertram!
You say me the man call me Bertram for one hand.
Bertram! Don't you see what she's trying to do? She's trying to get us to fight against each other. But it won't work, eh, Bertram?
Tell you the truth, drop shot, it a work.
They will not take the exam. I will not allow the children of 6Z to sit the common entrance and carry down the school average. And there's nothing none of UNU can do about it.
Really? Not even if me tell the school board about your antics after that up at El Rancho, Reverend.
Say what?
It's a lie. I don't even know where El Rancho is. Plus, I don't even think it's safe for them whole upstairs building have so much crowd on Friday night time.
Really? So, I guess you never hear the song, Let's Get It On.
Marvin Gaye.
Yes.
No.
This song you can't resist.
Mosquito.
The one my have to dance for you 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you dance it with me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
foot. And as to this semi-literate fraud, there's nothing he can do to help them.
I guess him right. No sense in making them sit the exam. They will never be ready in time.
Well, if they must take in private lessons.
Me can't afford it.
Me busy enough to come in well on my way to England.
How about free private lesson?
You're mad! Me, I'm going to tell that woman I want to pay over his water if you want to come. Me, I tell her the Lord could have blessed me and make me win one of them $20,000 first prize lottery.
Bertram! Blessings is something you have to earn by doing good.
Me must it turn well bad. If all Hurricane Hattie had preached to me. Alright. May think about it. But it's though you know everybody business, so me say.
Pillar tap, Bertram. Pillar tap, Lord Bertram.
Alright, me receive you can go on.
Gee, Bertram, man!
Say go on, me receive. Me know me shouldn't have me dozen flux in mango one time. I want them doctors did carry back home me toilet paper.
Good afternoon, sir.
Then is only one on the sound like a smutty teeth on my white fowls, sir.
We don't have any future, sir.
How you mean you don't have any future? Future? After Minister plans, I'm going to send them to go down to visit the common entrance.
Is you making fun of us, sir?
I is as serious as a judge.
We can't pass common entrance, sir.
Every evening, from now until common entrance, I shall be giving private lessons. Alright, for free. Yeah! When teach that hip-shotted, drop-shot and lesson.
Sir, make we celebrate, sir. Yes, sir. And we, you down with her, yeah, I can come here. Oh, take me up, baby.
Everybody, wanna catch me?
Hey! Yes, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, yeah!
Wanna catch me?
You must be mad!
The class of 73 in it. 32 years later. I wonder what became of them. The invite says 6 in it. It's almost 7. Bless them, Lord. Milo.
Bertram, how you doing, man?
Absolutely marvelous.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Good yourself. Oh, it's amazing.
Yes. Who? Look again, man. Look again.
Mutu.
That's right. That's right.
But my stage name is Admiral Stutter.
Your stage name?
Yes, I'm a singer now.
Oh, you are a singer? Marvelous. Huh?
Other side, man. Other side.
Other side. Oh, very well.
You're looking at a former Miss Jamaica.
And accountant.
Marvelous.
That's right. See me behave. Hey.
Porridge.
Oh,
Girl, come give me a hug, man.
Bohemi! Bohemi! Oh! Hey, look at you! Bohemi, tell me now, does this mean you stop yawning porridge?
Actually, I sell it now. You never hear about the fast food chain, Porridge or Us?
Girl, come give me another hug, man.
You know, you almost all look intelligent.
You go on.
Even you guys. She's not very
Baby.
Kylus Johnson.
Yep, but it's Dr. Johnson.
Doctor. Oh! It's a feel a rotting pain in the man.
I'm sorry, BB, but I'm not that kind of doctor. I specialize in
Gynecology.
So, Kylus, does this mean you stop sucking the raw finger?
thing of the past, BB.
A thing of the past, he says. Mom.
Dee! Girl, come give me a hug, man. Guess who? Guess who? Phoebe.
Oh, Dorcas. Dorcas. Oh, Dorcas, your mouth. Dorcas, your dentist must be a magician. So, Dorcas, what are you doing with your gorgeous self?
Well, I'm about to open my second day spine, maybe now.
Is that
Oh, girl, come give me another hug, man.
Raquel Smith?
Actually, it's Raquel Smith hyphen and Diggity now.
Congratulations! Girl, come give me another hug!
So, Milo, what are you doing with your life?
So you don't watch TV?
I'm hardly ever around.
That was back in the day, man. Hold on. Is this a razor phone?
Mr. Minister.
So, tell us what came out of that Senate investigation into those misappropriated funds at your ministry, Mr. Flower.
Say what?
That was just a little opposition smear campaign, man. You see, what really happened... Yes, right.
So tell me, you all did pass your common entrance in 73?
Bertram! What part of we could have passed common entrance?
Luckily we got into the junior secondary high school.
Yes, but with a new attitude. You see, by 9th grade, we was ready for the achievement test.
You see, it seems like we were all late bloomers.
And don't ask if we never buck down in the high school.
Yes.
But I am still proud to know that I did lay the foundation for
Right, but Bertram, what about you? I mean, you disappeared just as we were about to sit the common entrance.
Yeah.
Well, there was this ad in the newspapers for teachers to go to England. I submitted my documents and I was fortunate they said...
Bingo!
Alright. Me work up some bandolo papers. Me send them in and me get you. I am telling you, I didn't think Jamaica picnic in trouble.
Till you buck up on foreign picnic.
Jehovah, me say them undisciplined, ill manners of it. You know, say them things that third world black people live in a tree.
And guess what? You can't lick them, you know.
No.
And who don't know how me love liquor?
Oh, yes.
Me says, man, one day me go get legs and come one little force and special face boy in a head. The following man in the boy no bring him papa come to school to me. Hear the man him to me now. Hitting is a very primitive response to disputes. This is England, the mother country. We are not in the Caribbean, you know. We don't have monkeys here. Then me notice the little white piggy then start make monkey face out of me. Me say I get so vexed. I draw a cheer. A cheer? A cheer. And when I walk across the pupa I see him drop a gum, stretch out teeth and start to foam.
Tato?
Well, me never wait for find out. I Heathrow Airport, Scotland Yard, hang on for me as me was about to board the BOAC flight back to Kingston.
So, what about the boy's father?
Yeah.
Well, they say heading get funny after that. And him face said so. At 25 years me get.
A prison!
Well, it was in church. I broke some reed and rock stone and Birmingham prison. Me now go back to England. That them place they are not for me. And now me know when Jack cure me when he say prisoner no better rose. Liberty will be.
me. All's well that ends well.
Yes, and this is a reunion. A happy occasion.
Yeah, a celebration.
Celebration.
Oh, you are all so correct. It is a celebration. We all should be happy.
That's right.
Mr. Music Man, will you please play the Ken Booth rhythm for me?
Them tune them move the stop for a long time.
Selector, could you give me a voicemail, please?
Speaking to the new dance, make it bounce. Give it, give it, give it, give it, give it, give it. Everybody on the dance, we do the biggie bump.
Even when it seems like we have no hope in this world, just be someone on our side.